Section 16 of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 4, October, 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Louise Meany. Goldenrod. Spring is the morning of the year, and summer is the noontide bright. The autumn is the evening clear, that comes before the winter's night. And in the evening, everywhere, along the roadside up and down, I see the golden torches flare, like lighted street lamps in the town. I think the butterfly and bee, from distant meadows coming back, are quite contented when they see these lamps along the homeward track. But those who stay too late get lost, for when the darkness falls about, down every lighted street the frost will go and put the torches out. Frank Dempster Sherman. End of section 16. This recording is in the public domain.